Google Ads benefits your business by providing fast, targeted traffic and leads, boosting brand visibility, and driving sales through precise audience targeting. So now you can connect with your CRM to automatically sync leads, trigger workflow automation, and engage prospects. Let's learn how to use it. Head to the integration section inside your account settings and click Manage underneath the Google Ads icon. This will redirect you to the Marketplace view. There, click Install and connect the Gmail account linked to your Google Ads account. Select the desired ad account from the list. Once connected, click the Action button next to the desired ad form to enable campaign sync and map the forms to CRM fields. This feature provides you with a seamless setup to create centralized lead management and an easy connection between your Google Ads and automations for streamlined follow-ups and lower response times. Utilize this feature to create a single-point solution for managing leads from multiple sources, ensuring faster engagement with new leads through automation and improving response times. We hope you enjoy it.